Hi everyone. How are you today? I've got a few friends with me, Nemo and our little turtle, Speedy, and they are here to help out Baby Echo today. They're actually having a little bit of a party. They are doing some knock knock jokes, so I'm going to read you one, okay? Knock knock. Hoover. Hoover, you expecting? Let's try one more. Knock knock. Disguise. Disguise your best friend. Ha ha ha. Get it? This guy's your best friend in a disguise, like a costume. Okay. So today we are going to learn some new sounds. I love learning new things. Let's take a look. Remember, we learned four sounds last week, glued sounds, and they all ended with what letter? G. We're going to learn four more glued sounds, but this time they all end with K. Here we go. This is a whole bunch of junk. So repeat after me. UNK, junk, unk. See, another one that ends in K. They all have N in the middle and then different vowels to start. This is a picture of a horn, and to make noise, you squeeze on this part here to honk the horn. So our word to remember it is ONK, honk, onk. Honk, onk. Do you know what this is? A piggy bank to put your money in and save money. So for this one, we say ANK, bank, ank. And one more. That's right. This color is pink, a pink crayon. So repeat after me. INK, pink ink. Fantastic. So we also need to add our standard cards over here to our board. So if you remember, we put the glued sounds over here and we put them in alphabetical order. A, I, O, U. So we'll do the same things, but all the ones that end with K will go over here. So repeat after me. A and K, bank, ank. That will go right next to each other. So we have A and G, A and K. ING, and right next to it, we'll put INK, pink ink. Then we have ONG, and next to it will be ONK, honk, onk. And then we have UNG, and next to it will be UNK, junk, unk. Okay, now remember, all of these words, all of the NKs are going to be just like the NGs, where it's three letters glued together, but one tap. Okay, let's try that. If I grab this one and I put a sound in front of it, let's tap this together. Try it with me. S, ank, sink. Good. Let's try some more. Tap this one with me. S, ink, sink. Tap it with me. S, unk, sunk. Put the S back and try some with, let's start with R. Tap it. Ink, rink. And make sure you're practicing those three fingers together on the glued sound. One more for now. Okay, tap this one. Ink, rink. Okay, nice job. All right, next, my friends, I want to talk about how to mark these. So we know that when a vowel is combined with NG or NK, we call it a glued sound. And how do we mark glued sounds? We put a box around them, like this. So if I have the word ing. I'm going to put a box around ing. I'll show you one more. If we have ink, the glued sound is ink. So I will box it in, just like that. Okay, so what I want you to do now is find your notebook, your student notebook if you have it. Ta-da! And go to the sounds. The sounds are usually, well, they're always in the beginning. So flip through the sounds in the very beginning. You'll see your consonants and flip until you find all of the NK glute sounds. We did the NGs last week, and now we're doing all of the NKs. So your job right now is to pause the video and color in all the pictures that we just learned. While you do it, I want you to really say it. So while you color that piggy bank, be saying A-N-K, bank, ank, and keep repeating it in your head. Okay, find this page, color it, pause right here. Okay, you're back. So let's go ahead and do a full warm-up of all of our green cards. Here we go. Repeat after me. I-N-K, pink ink. U-N-K, junk unk. O-N-K, honk onk. A-N-K, bank ank. O-N-G, song ong. U-N-G, lung ung. I-N-G, ring ing. A-N-G, fang ang. Fantastic. And let's do some of the standards. S-H, ship, sh. A-N-G, fang ang. I-N-K, pink ink. O-N-G, song ong. O-N-K, honk onk. U-N-G, lung ung. Great job. And last but not least, let's sing out these vowels. Because when you're trying to figure these out, you have to really pay close attention to the vowel because they can all look alike. Sing with me. A, apple, a. E, ad, a. I, itch, I. O, octopus, a. U, up, a. Fantastic. Okay, and we are going to do a word of the day. Get ready to do, what's the first sound? J. And here's my next sound. Do you remember what U and K is? Junk, unk. That's right. So what's our word? Junk. Junk. Very good. Oh, let's see. Since it's a word of the day, we know we need to enter it into our notebooks. So I want you to grab your student notebook and go to the back where it says vocabulary at the top, and it's got all these pages with the letters and the blanks. I'm not going to tell you the page number because you really need to practice finding these things yourself. It's very good for you. You need to keep going through the vocabulary until you find the letter J, because our word of the day starts with a J. And right on this line right here is where you can write our word of the day. Make sure your J starts on the plain line and goes all the way down to the worm line. And then make sure your K, the little part, stays between the plain line and the grass line. Junk. Go ahead and pause the screen to write junk. Okay, great job. Now I want you to box in the glued sound. Mark it up. Put a box around the glued sound. Okay, there we go, like that. Great job. Now we need a sentence. What kind of sentence might you say about the word junk? I have a lot of junk in my car too. Where else might you have some junk? In the garbage or in the trash. That is good to put junk in the trash. Yep. What is junk? Yeah, stuff you don't want anymore. It's just junk. So how about for our sentence, we start with an uppercase and we do I have junk in my car. And my is a trick word we learned before. And of course, we'll put a period at the end. Good spaces between your words. And everybody, make sure that when you're holding your pen or pencil, you are pinching and then making a table. I don't want to see any grips like this or this. It's so important that you're writing like this. Pinch that pencil. I have junk in my car. Pause here to finish your sentence. Okay, and last thing we need to do is scoop the sentence. I have junk in my car. And remember, we scoop it so that we don't say, I have junk in my car. We kind of got to scoop the words together. I have junk in my car. Make it sound the way we talk, not like a robot. Okay, great job, my friends. And now I want you to practice building some of these words. So go ahead and get out your Velcro boards. And I want you to repeat after me. What says unk? Everybody say unk. Good. Point to which one says unk and tell me the letter names. UNK, that's right. If you are feeling like this is hard, why don't you open up your student notebook to those beautiful food sounds you just colored and look at these to help you. So the next one I'm going to say ing. So ing, when you look at the pictures, oh yeah, it's like a ring. So it's ing. Okay, try another one. What says ung? Ung. Well, listen to the beginning. So it's got to be one of the U's. And now listen to the end. Ung. G. Which one would it be? UNG. Got to listen to the beginning and the end of these. All right. What says onk? Onk. Point to it and tell me the letters. ONK. All right, one more. What says ong? Ong. ONG. Fantastic. You're ready to build a word now. Okay, here's the first word. Wink. Can you wink? All right, let's tap out wink. W, ink. So 2 taps, 2 tiles. Build wink on the bottom of your board. W, ink. Listen closely to those sounds. Wink. Good, and make sure you use the green card instead of using INK separate. You should look like this, W, INK. All right, let's spell it away. W, INK. All right, our next word is long. Let's tap it out. Ong. Spell it with me. Would be L, ong, O-N-G. Go ahead and build it and use the green card for ong. Ong. Check it to mine. L-O-N-G. All right, let's spell it away. L-O-N-G. Okay, here's our next word. Tank. Tap it. Ink. Spell it and build it. Ink. Okay, when you're ready, check it with mine. Ink. And the last thing we'll do is let's change it to say think. Ink. Which one do we have to change out? The first one. Digraph TH. Think. All right, let's spell it away. THANK. And make sure your T is back in the right spot. Once your board is in the right spot, you are done for today. Great job.